Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you another beautiful book packed full with lore and informations about the Warhammer 40,000 world or story or setting, whatever you like to call it. I really appreciate these books. They really give you some background information, some new information, and of course also immerse you more into the lore, into the setting. And of course, if you are a Warhammer 40,000 player, then you will appreciate these publications. So this was a newer publication. This was published in 2019. This is a, as I say, a re-edition or summary edition of the Imperial Militarum manual and the Imperial Uplifting Primer. So all these books are available separately, only on the secondary market. So if you like, go check out eBay. The truth is, for some reason I miss to buy this book when it was released. So I had my only chance was to get it, to buy it second hand on eBay. And the story goes that for some reason Games Workshop did not include any information that this book will be only a limited run. They did not state how many copies will be released. It did sold out in I don't know, 2 or 3 days, so I could not buy one. Yeah, sadly. But then of course there is always eBay. You can go check it out. Lots of copies are floating around. Yes, they are pricey. Some horrendously priced, but it is up to you. If you like the story, the setting, the world, the lore, then yeah, you will pay the price and be very happy with this book. So format wise, this is a smaller format. We have a 20 centimeters or 8 inches, and width is 13.5 or 5.5 inches. So there is no problem to carry it with you in your backpack if you're traveling, you just want a quick read. So okay. And of course these two books are available probably also through eBay. If you like to hunt them down, then go search for them. I will try to feature some of these nice books here on my channel, of course, for your pleasure, if you like, but it will take some time because they are hard to get and they are really pricey, so keep that in mind. Okay, so let's start with this book. So we have some warning, and this is really nice. So all troopers are hereby ordered to replace their copies of the Imperial Militarum Manual and Imperial Infantryman's Uplifting Primer with the combined edition under Imperial Ordinance. So yeah, failure to comply will lead to summary execution by the commissariat officers. You have been warned. Ooh, really harsh, but then this is Grimdark 40k. Okay, anytime again. So here's some informations about the book. So the first edition was published in Great Britain in 2012. Probably regarding the primer or maybe the manual, I don't know. But then this edition is published in Great Britain in 2019 by Black Library, Games Workshop Limited, Willow Road, Nottingham, and so on. Here are some information if you like check it out for yourself. The book is printed in China, of course. Some preface information, content. Okay, and here we are starting. You have a structure of the Departmentum Militarum. Regimental organization diagram. The Acadian troopers. Here is your standard equipment, so your utility harness, grenade, spare last pack for your last gun, last pistol, here are some forms, the issue kit, nicely acquisition of supplies. The dangers of modifying kit. Chart of punishment procedure. Okay. A list of crimes and attendant punishments. Wasting ammunition. Treatment or neglect of contraments. Okay. Failing to attendant maintenance ceremonies. Wow. Some other gear, rations, helmet. Okay. They go to a detailed, huge details to describe all the, say, tools and hygiene kit or your equipment for the Guardsmen. Part 6, personal weapons of Imperial Guardsmen. So here are the las guns, different variants, las packs, power packs, some more heavy weapons. They are bolters, but these cannot be used by regular humans. Of course, they are limited to Space Marines. No, my favorite part, the knives. Oh, nice! We have a nice buoy. Yeah. One day I try to get some of these, maybe made, or maybe find somebody who is making them and acquire a nice Imperial blade. But for now I have to wait. And if you like knives, large knives, small knives, I have lots of videos on my channel here, so just go and check out some of my videos on my channel. Guide to aiming and shooting mortar. Okay. Plasma weapons, multi-melta, less cannon. Oof. Yeah. Flamers. And of course, missile launcher. The Tactica Imperium. And badges and insignias. fire mission. Some more forms. And here is the Imperial Infantryman uplifting primer. Death notice. Okay. So content, we have principles and regulations, issue, arms, attire, Imperial Guard organization, Imperial Guard armor, know your foe, elementary battle medical instructions, and the Benedictions of the Emperor, inspiration source, and uplifting creed for all infantrymen and infantrywomen, of course. Yeah. Dark forces and warp magic. Okay, this is the face of the mutant. Hate it. Very short and cutting to the point. Knives again. Shovel or entrenching tool, of course. How to disassemble a MG short pack and las gun. How to load, unload strip. Nice. Some more equipment, information, gas masks, flak armor, which is probably less than effective. Less kind of heavy bolter missile launchers, so these are the weapons of the Adeptus Astartes, the Space Marines. Map reading, nice. Security of the column, shooting movement, use of cover, anti-tank protection, nice. Patrols and ambushing, behind enemy lines, warp transit, some armor, designations, know your foe. So here are the orcs, the Tyranids, the Eldar, and the corruption of dark forces. So chaos, of course. Elementary battlefield medical instructions. So how to bandage yourself. Loss of limbs. Yeah. And of course here's the part with the benedictions of the Emperor. So inspirational speeches, great imperial heroes. Commissar Yarek. And common prayers for the soldiers. So if you like, you can go and pray to the Emperor. Here are the litanies. The litany of war, litany of vengeance, or auto engines, of death, fear. And we are at the end. So there is a page count to this point is 175. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 23. So plus 23. Okay, so this was the Imperial Infantryman's Handbook, which consists of the Imperial Militarum Manual and the Imperial Infantryman's Uplifting Primer. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I'm more than happy to reply. If you are a subscriber, thank you very much for your support. If you are not, please consider subscribing. I try to release videos at least 3 times per week, mostly gear, knife oriented, but also regarding the hobby, so Warhammer, painting, miniatures, and books, and lots of unboxings, of course, regarding these stuffs. Okay, so thanks for watching, and as always, have a nice day. Bye.